Hello everyone. I hope you are healthy, fit and fine. You might have watched the previous video of GK and understood it well and started studying. Let's start today's class. We are going to continue with Unit 2, Chapter 12, India Quiz. As you all know, we live in India, so it is important to know some facts about India. Our country India lies in the continent of Asia. Bharat is the ancient name of India. It is the seventh largest country in the world. In the exercise given, we have to match the column and learn more about our country India. The first question is the capital of India. What is the capital of India? It is New Delhi. We will match 1, the capital of India, with D, New Delhi. Number 2, national bird of India. The national bird of India is peacock. We will match 2 with F, peacock. Number 3, our Republic Day. When is our Republic Day celebrated? It is on 26th January. So we will match 3rd, our Republic Day, with A, 26th January. Number 4, our national song. Our national song is Vande Mataram. So we will match 4, our national song, with B, Vande Mataram. Number 5, Union territories. Number of union territories of India is 9. We will match 5 union territories with I, 9. Question number 6, Indian currency. The currency of India is rupee. We will match 6 Indian currency with H, rupee. Number 7, our national animal. The national animal of India is tiger. We will match 7, our national animal, with C, tiger. Number 8, our national anthem. The national anthem of India is Jana Gana Mana. We will match 8, our national anthem, with E, Jana Gana Mana. Number 9, our Independence Day. The Independence Day of India is 15th August. We will match 9, our Independence Day, with J, 15th August. Question number 10, number of states in India. There are 28 states in India. We will match 10, number of states in India, with G, 28. Let's move to the next topic, traditional dresses. India is known for its diversity. India has a rich tradition of clothing and ethnic wear. This distinguishes one part of India from other. As every state of India is geographically different from the other, their dresses and style is also different. In the given exercise, we have to identify the names of the Indian state by looking at the dresses of these couples. The first picture we can see is the picture of Nagaland, the people of Nagaland. The traditional costume worn in Nagaland are a lot different from other states of India. The dresses that people wear are colorful and vibrant. An important item that they wear is a shawl. These shawls are separately designed for every tribe to differentiate between them easily. The shawl is different as per the role of the person. We will write in the space given Nagaland. In the second picture, we can see the people wearing the traditional dress of Maharashtra. The traditional dress of Maharashtra includes dhoti, kurta and topi for men and 9-yard long sari called Nawari sari for women. We will write in the space given Maharashtra. In the third picture, we can see the people wearing the traditional dress of Punjab. The traditional dress of Punjabi men is kurta and tehmat, and the traditional dress for women is salwar suit. Patiala salwar is very popular there. We will write in the space given Punjab. In the fourth picture, we can see the people wearing the traditional dress of Tamil Nadu. The traditional dress of men in Tamil Nadu is lungi. They also called dhoti with angvastram and a shirt. The women wear traditional sari and blouse. Kanchipuram silk sari are the most famous traditional sari of Tamil Nadu. We will write in the space given Tamil Nadu. In the fifth picture, we can see the people wearing the traditional dress of Rajasthan. In Rajasthan, men wear dhotis, kurta and safa. Rajasthani women wear ghagra, choli and orni. We will write in the space given Rajasthan. In the sixth picture, we can see the people wearing the traditional dress of Gujarat. The traditional dress of Gujarat for men is kurta at the top and dhoti at the bottom. Gujarati dress for women is ghagra choli, also called chaniya choli. We will write in the space given Gujarat. Let's do the next topic. Topic 14, famous Indians. There are many great Indians who are known for their achievement and work they have done for our country. They made our country proud and let it known worldwide. Let us study about some of these famous Indians. The first picture is the picture of Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. He was a great freedom fighter. He freed India from the British rule in 1947. He was also called Bapu and known as the father of the nation. We will match the first Mahatma Gandhi with C. His birthday is celebrated on 2nd October as Gandhi Jayanti. The second picture is the picture of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was an Indian aerospace scientist and politician who served as the 11th President of India. We will match to Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam with A. He was a famous scientist and a President of India. Third picture is the picture of Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar is a former Indian cricketer and captain. He is the only player who scored 100 centuries. Also, he is the first batsman to score double century in one day international. We will match 3 Sachin Tendulkar with B. Only cricketer to score 100 century. Fourth picture is the picture of Dr. Ramnath Kovind. Dr. Ramnath Kovind is an Indian politician. He is the 14th President of India elected in 2017. We will match 4 Ramnath Kovind with E, elected in 2017 as the 14th President of India. Fifth picture is the picture of Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa was a great missionary. She was born on August 26, 1910 in Macedonia, Yugoslavia. She was devoted to God. She started up charity called the Charity Missionaries. Through this, Mother Teresa loved and cared the needy and the poor people. She was the first Indian to win the Nobel Peace Prize. We will match 5 Mother Teresa with D, first Indian to win the Nobel Peace Prize. Let's proceed further. Topic 15, Save Paper, Save Trees. Trees play a significant role in our existence. Trees make the Mother Earth look beautiful and relaxing. Without trees, the earth will be dead and dry. Trees gives us oxygen, shade, foods, paper, timber, etc. In the given topic, we will learn about safe paper, safe trees. Paper is made from wood. The more paper we use, the more are the trees that need to be cut. By reducing the use of paper, we can help save trees. Given below are some statements. We have to tick right to the one that help you to save paper, and we have to cross the one that leads to wastage of paper. The first question is, we should print, write or draw on both sides of paper. Yes, if we will use both sides of the paper, we will save the paper and we will save the trees too. We will tick right in the space given. Number 2, we must reuse paper bags to carry our things. Yes, we should use the paper bags again and again to avoid the wastage of paper. We will tick right in the space given. Number 3, we must not sell old newspaper and magazines to the scrap collector. No, we should sell the magazines so that the recycling of the paper can be done. So we will put here cross in number 3. Number 4, we should give our old books to someone who needs them. Yes, we should give our old books to the needies so that they can reuse it and we can save the paper. We will put right in the space given. Number 5, use computer to read, store and share documents in place of paper. Yes, we can use the computer for storing and reading the documents instead of paper to save paper. We will tick right in the space given. Number 6, we should use a full sheet of paper for writing even a small note. No, we should not waste paper. If we want to write something very little, we can write in a small sheet of paper, not the full sheet. So we will put here cross in the space given. Number 7, we should make paper planes and throw crumpled papers on friends at school. No, we should not do. This is very bad manners. We should save paper. We will put here cross in the space given. Number 8, we should ask our parents to get their phone bills and bank statement online. Yes, with this we can save the paper. If the bills and bank statement comes online, then we can save the paper. We will put tick right in the space given. Number 9, draw only on paper. Making drawings on the computer or using whiteboards is no fun. No, it is wrong. Means we can use the computer and whiteboards for drawing instead of paper, and with this we can save paper. So we will cross in the space given. In page number 20, there is an exercise given, brain gym. This is the homework for you all scholars. Try to complete this exercise. With this we come to the end of unit 2.
Now it's time to end the class. Go through the PDF given in the description box and complete all the exercise given. We will meet soon in the next class. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you.